Ever wondered how people on YouTube turn their passion into serious money? Well, in this video, we're breaking down a step-by-step guide to help you grow your income on YouTube, starting from just $10 all the way to $100,000. Let's dive in. At the beginning, it's all about building the foundation. Don't worry if you only make $10 at first. The key is getting started. Here's how. Start by creating simple content with what you have. You don't need expensive gear. Use your phone, free editing software, and focus on making videos that are valuable to your target audience. Whether it's tutorials, reviews, or vlogs, your goal is to create engaging, consistent content. Once you've uploaded a few videos, you'll need to monetize through YouTube's partner program. For this, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 12 months. Ad revenue will be modest at first, but it's a starting point. You'll see your first $10 from ads after gaining some traction, but don't stop there. Now it's time to build a real community. You've made a little money, but how do you grow it to $100? Engagement and consistency are key. Reply to comments, collaborate with other creators, and share your videos across social media platforms. The more people see your content, the more likely they are to subscribe and engage. As you gain more subscribers, you can also tap into other monetization strategies like affiliate marketing. For example, promote products or services in your videos and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. You're consistently getting views, it's time to diversify. This will take your earnings to $1,000 and beyond. Start selling merchandise through platforms like Teespring or Spreadshop. You can design simple t-shirts, hats, or mugs that reflect your brand. Don't forget, the more you promote it, the more sales you make. At this stage, you're also ready to explore brand deals. Reach out to companies in your niche for sponsored content opportunities. Just 1-2 good brand deals can dramatically boost your income. Now that you're getting closer to $10,000, it's time to optimize and scale. This is where analytics and trend research come into play. Look at your YouTube analytics to see which videos are performing best. Double down on topics and formats that your audience loves. Trend jacking, or creating content around trending topics, can also help you get more views. You can also start offering exclusive content through Patreon or YouTube memberships. This creates a recurring income stream from your most loyal followers. Now we're talking about serious money. To reach $100,000, your content needs to be top tier, and your brand needs to be well established. Invest in better equipment, hire editors if needed, and start creating higher value content. You can also work with other big influencers to expand your audience. At this level, your revenue can come from multiple sources: YouTube ads, sponsorships, affiliate sales, merch, crowdfunding, and even creating your own digital products, like ebooks or courses. To sum it up, here's what you need to succeed on YouTube. Stay consistent, engage with your audience, research trends, and always diversify your income sources. This will set you up for long-term growth and success. Thanks for watching. If you want more tips on making money online, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Good luck, and start creating today. Subscribe, watch more videos.